Hey guys, it's Dee from Sanremo. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take off your rattle cage and your side panel on the Cafe Racer. A couple things you'll need. You'll need an Allen key set and a ratchet with a size 20, okay? So first things first, Allen key set. So you're going to need to use the number 8 size. So basically take off all 4 screws. So pull all 4 out. Okay, the next part you'll need to do is you'll need a size 3. So directly under the machine, little screw, unscrew it like so, done. So now that once you've got that screw off, just underneath the machine, so grab your ratchet with your size 20 on, you'll need to take the nut off. So basically up, and it should, as soon as you've loosened it, it should directly start unscrewing. So we've got all 4 off, lift up, and the whole panel will come off. Guys, you don't need to stress about the legs. They are attached to the body of the machine. So whatever you take off from this point, it will not affect the legs. So don't be worried about that at all. So now you've got complete access in to your Cafe Racer. So this is how you would obviously change, if you needed to change your whole steam arm, this is where you would go from this point. It's a lot easier to get your spanner in rather than trying to get over the top of the machine. It takes 5 minutes to do this rather than spending 20 minutes trying to get access to the top. Okay guys, very simple. Don't stress about the legs. They will stay attached to the machine. Cool, thanks guys, bye.